Hi friends. So in the earlier section, we have learned about file permissions and how you can change them via chmod command. So in this lecture, let's understand about file extension in Linux. So first, before discussing about file extension in Linux, I will head over to my Windows laptop and will show you about the file extension in Windows, how it works. So suppose if you have something here and if it is not showing your extension, then you can enable the extension by clicking on here somewhere. So it is showing you the extension, right? So it has demo.txt, it has demo.mkv file, and also it is showing you the type. All right. So now I will head over to my Linux VM, Ubuntu VM. So I have downloaded three files. So basically, first one is PNG image for Linux, or we call it as Penguin. The second one is stuff.txt, which is a text editor, and the third one is a general spreadsheet. Okay. So now if I will open my terminal, now these things are on my desktop. So first I will navigate to my desktop. So how you I will do that? So either I can use the absolute path, but it is longer, so I will use relative path. So currently I'm in home folder. The next one is desktop, so I will type desktop. So I'm here. If I will list, so you can see all of my files are here. Okay. Now if I will type file Linux and press tab, so it's already detected linuxboy.png. If I will hit enter, so it will tell you the type of the file. So it is png image data, 8-bit color map, and everything else. Okay. Now similarly, if I will change the extension in here, suppose if I am typing it to, I am renaming it, and if I am typing it to PDF, it will ask. So I can type OK. I have already, there was demo.pdf, so I've changed that. So you have seen that the type was changed. Okay. Now if I will see the properties, then it's also detected that it is a now PDF file. However, we will not be able to open it, right? So it will give us an error, right? So now I will roll it back to my MKV. MKV. Now I will head over to my Linux. Okay. Now if I will change this linux.png to uh, Linux, let me select one and let me rename it to linux.txt. Okay. I will rename it. It was renamed. Let me type again by upper arrow key file linux.txt because now it is not png. So if I will type txt, now it didn't change the file type. Okay. So this is the feature of a Linux. So where if we will rename the file extensions also, it will not change the type. Okay. Also, if we will try to open it, so we will not be able to open it. It will throw any error, right? So see, so it won't be able to open it. So I will close this. I will roll it back to my PNG image. Okay. Now it back, and if I will try to open it, so it will get open. Okay. So that's the first thing. Also, I have this txt. So let me illustrate this one also. If I will type file stuff and I will type tab, and if I will hit enter, so it will tell you the type as ASCII text. Okay. Now if I will try to rename it as PDF, I have edited this to PDF. It has detected. Will it allow me to open it? Let's try. Mm, okay. So it is not able to open it. Okay. Now what's the file type now? Should I try? So stuff.pdf. It is also telling you that it is only ASCII text. It's not a PDF. However, we have changed the extension, but in Windows, it changed the type. So let me rename it. PDF, it was .txt, and if I will open it, so I'm able to open it. Okay. Similarly, for the ODS, so it's a simple spreadsheet file I will created for the testing. So these are the files. So if I will try to rename it, so first let me type the file type. What's the file type currently? So first I will move to desktop. Sorry, it would be capital D because Linux is case sensitive. Then I am on my desktop. I will type file, then I will type a spread. I will type tab, hit enter. So it will say tell you the ODS. ODS is basically a Excel sheet of Linux format, which can be opened by Libre Excel. Basically this one, LibreOffice Calc. Okay. Now let me hit change the and try to rename this. So if I will type, let me type this as PDF. Okay. I have typed rename. Now if I will type file spreadsheet.pdf, it will also detect that it is spreadsheet. If I will try to open it, it will not get open. Okay, so let me rename it. So it's a open text document. So I will spreadsheet. Okay, now so basically what we were doing, if we are trying to change, so basically the Linux track the headers file. So there is something called headers which tracks what is the type of the file. If you will change it to another one also, then it will not get changed. Okay, so that's the feature of the Linux. Now suppose there is something as extension and it is not configured. So you might know that PNG is for image, TXT for docs, and ODS for any type of Excel file. Suppose if I am giving any random name, like I am giving spreadsheet dot blah blah blah. Okay, now I am hitting rename. Okay, why the icon didn't get? Can I open it? So let me try to open. Yes, I was able to open it, but why, how it is doing that? So suppose if I am also trying to renaming it, I will try to rename it as etc. I will hit rename. Am I able to open it? Yes, I am. So what it is doing, so whether, so if there are no pre-configured extension in Linux, and if you are entering just a number, random number, so what it will do, it will take the original file type as extension in the background. Okay, if I will also type file spreadsheet dot blah blah, then you can see it's only detecting OpenSheet spread document. Okay, hope you understood that. And also if I will type file stuffs, I will hit tab stuffs.etc, it will tell ASCII text. Okay, so hope we are clear with the file extension and how it is different from other operating system. I have provided you an example for Windows. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this lecture, and in the next lecture we will learn about a very powerful stuff in Linux, which is wildcard, and how it is very useful. So in the next lecture we will learn about wildcards. So till then, take care.